Okay, part 2, here we go. I've got the alternator this far. Had to remove this engine mounting bracket and also the engine mount itself. It does actually seem to be okay, it's not leaking, which is what they tend to do. Next, these are cables. Oops, sorry, let's show you again. These are cables. And I thought, well, that's easy then, I'll just push them out of the way. They're rock solid cables. One is a ground for the engine, and the other is the starter motor cable. But in order to be able to get this one off, I've got to remove these. It's just a bolt here, and then I'll be able to swing it out of the way. But what a faff. All right, let's get on with it. I got to get this fucking thing out. I'm going to go mad. Okay, just to show you, even when you've got the nuts undone, you then have to release these plastic clips, and they're a fucking pain. Then once you've released those plastic clips, you'll find there's tape holding the cable. Very rotten tape in this case, but tape holding the cable to the plastic piece. It's an idea, I guess, to stop the cable from pulling out, although I can't think it would. And I think it's a bit of overkill, in all honesty, so I must admit I don't think I'll be putting the tape back on there, because it's not worth it. Right, now that I've undone those, these cables are now, I can push them out of the way. Ah, boy. Let's see if I can get the alternator out now. I'll have to move those plasticky bits out of the way again. Alright, let's give it a go. Jack the engine back up. And now, in theory, I should be able to bring it this way. Get it past those. Oh, God's sake, come on. Nope. Alright, let's try this. I got it here before, I'll get it here again. You need every millimeter. Come on, baby. Almost there. Come on. Oh, you're nearly there. Yes! Fuck me. You need every millimeter that you can push that engine up, I tell ya. Man, oh man. What a bitch. Oh, fucking hell. That was a struggle. Now, I haven't worked solidly on this for 2 days. Quite frankly, it gets your neck and shit looking up here all the time. But now, theory is, just, oh dear. Reversal is the opposite of the way you took it out. However, one thing I will do is I will put the alternator in and put that top nut on while I've got all this room here for me to reach in and get the bolt in as well, if I can. And I've got the engine supported here, of course, so I've got to be careful of that. Oh, fuck me. All right, well, this is a very short part to this video. And yes, it is the finish. Put everything back. I am sliced to ribbons. I've got more cuts on me now than I've ever had. Talk about the death of 1,000 cuts. Jesus Christ. Jaguar did not make it easy, did you, Mr. Ford? You know, you could have made it a little bit more easy. You could have made it so that it comes out through the wheel arch. You could have made the front subframe slightly different so that it would drop down through the hole there. You could have made it so there was enough room to just bring it through here. Okay, yes, we would have had to move the engine mount anyway. Fuck me. I'm sorry, guys, but wow. What a job. Yeah, I certainly lost a pound of flesh doing this. I think I need a drink. I haven't got any, so I'll just go buy some. All right. Now, you get out in the garage, go do some shit.